Are you guys wondering what are the best Amazon FBA software tools to be using in 2019? Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the software tools that I use and recommend to help me stay ahead of my competition, to help me find profitable products other people are not finding, and how I'm consistently getting organic 5-star reviews every single day. So if you guys are interested in taking your business to the next level and automating the process using software tools, you're going to want to watch this entire video. What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and what we do in this channel is talk about everything that has to do with Amazon FBA. So if you guys are interested in learning how to scale your Amazon FBA business past the multiple six-figure mark like I did, then consider subscribing and stay up to date with all the new information that I'm currently dropping every single week. Okay, so go down, hit the subscribe button, and if I'm leaving some value and I'm helping you guys out, then I would appreciate it if you guys liked this video and also left a comment, okay? So let's dive into the video where we're gonna do a quick screen sharing where I'm going to show you what software tools I use and recommend. So now that we're inside my screen, we're going to be talking about the first software tool, which is Helium 10. For those that haven't heard of Helium 10, I wouldn't be surprised because this is a tool that's very overlooked and under talked about compared to the rest within the industry. But I really like what Helium 10 has to offer and what they're doing inside the Amazon FBA space, okay? So if you guys are interested, you can go to helium10.com or click the link down below. It's going to redirect you to this page, and once you're on this page, you're going to get your free account, and once you have your free account, it's going to look like this, and you're going to have some basically trials on the different tools that it comes with to test out to see if you like it. And then once you want to upgrade, you're going to go to plan details, and you're going to look at the different plans, whether you want the platinum plan, the diamond plan, or if you just want to pick individual basically softwares like Blackbox, Cerebro, you have X-Ray, and you can basically pick what you want, or you can just get the platinum plan that comes with literally everything, which is what I recommend and use, okay? So it's 97 bucks a month, but the best part about it is if you use my coupon code AMZChampions50 and you hit apply, you can get 50% off the entire subscription. So you're going to get a 50% discount. So the platinum plan is only going to be 48 bucks, okay? So you're going to get literally every single tool that you need and will use for $48, okay? So that's why I really like what they have to offer, especially at a 50% discount. So once you get that, you can have access to everything, and I'm going to show you the different tools that comes with, okay? So with that plan, you're going to get the black box, which is one of my favorite tools. This is basically kind of like the Amazon web app, if you guys are familiar with that, where you can literally pick the category that you're looking to sell in. So let's look to sell in office products. You can put monthly revenue, and I'm just going to put like 2,000 to max 10,000. I don't want to get into something that's too big. I'm just looking to start out, and then you can put the minimum price, which we'll say $12, to the max we'll say $29. The review count will go 0 reviews to the max, which is we'll say 30, to try to find a product that's not very competitive. And then you can, whether you want an oversized, standard size, and you can look at the advanced filters and you hit search. And then what it's going to do is Helium 10 is going to pull up a bunch of different products within Amazon that match those search criteria. So this is super powerful, where you can find products that literally meet exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're looking to sell in a certain category, whether you're looking to brand out and build a brand around your first product. It's a super cool way to find products really, really easy just by plugging in some numbers. And then once you are scrolling through here, you see a product that has potential, and you basically copy and paste it right into Amazon, and then you use the X-Ray Helium 10 app, which is basically going to break down the numbers and tell you whether or not this is a good product to basically start selling, okay? So that's the first tool that I really like. I will go in future videos go in depth about each individual tool with Helium 10, but for the most part, I'm just going to kind of give you guys a brief overview of the tools that I love with Helium 10 and how you guys can use them to scale your business to that six-figure mark, okay? So that's the first one, which is Black Box. It's going to help you find products by searching different criterias and different categories, and you guys can just have a bunch of, I mean, it shows that there's 200 products found. So you can go through and look at 200 different products. You can also look at competitors and the niche that you're looking to sell in. The next one is the Trendster. This is going to help you find Amazon trends. The Magnet Keyword Search Research. This is an awesome tool where you can basically search for different keywords. So let's search couples aprons and see what comes up, and it will show us how many times is this word being searched. It will also show us other words that are related to this specific keyword, and it will help us decide whether or not we want to start selling this product, whether it's too competitive, what are the other different keywords that match with that main keyword, okay? So that's what Magnet Keyword Research does. And in the past videos, I've talked a little bit about merchant words, which I still use and I would recommend it. I mean, it's $9, but within the whole bundle that Helium 10 comes with, the Magnet Keyword Research tool within Helium 10 is going to be a lot more accurate. It's not going to give a broad search. It's going to literally show down to the T how many times are they being searched every single month, okay? So that's why I would recommend this over merchant words. And merchant words still gets the job done, but as you guys know, with Viral Launch, Jungle Scout, and Helium 10, their keyword search softwares are a little bit more up to date, and they're pulling data directly from Amazon. So that's why I would recommend using those tools. So in the past, yes, I use merchant words, but now I'm switching over to Helium 10 because it comes in the ginormous bundle that I'm getting anyways, okay? So I'm going to take advantage of that and use the keyword research tool. And then also, it has something that's called the Cerebro, which is a reverse ASIN lookup, which basically is going to help you find different keywords to rank for. You can look at your competitors and you just plug in their ASIN and it's going to pull up a bunch of different keywords that are related to that specific product, and you can start ranking for those, put those in your back-end search terms. You can use those for the PPC campaigns, in your title, in your description, in the bullet points. I mean, the list could go on with what you can do with this software, and that's why I love it, because it works for the beginners, it works for people that are advanced, and it works for the people in between. So whatever you're trying to do with your business, you're going to want to have these tools to help you stay ahead of the competition, okay? So that's why I like software tools, and why I recommend using them is because you're not guessing, you're looking at the data that's given, and this data is 100% legit, so you can look at it and decipher whether or not it's a good product, whether or not you should rank for this keyword, or you should be trying to rank for this keyword with your PPC campaigns, or whatever the case may be, okay? So that's the only reason why I like using software tools, is because it takes the work off of me, and I don't have to think as hard. It's just I plug in an ASIN, or I plug in a keyword, and it searches it for me, okay? So that's why I like the different software tools. So that's another one. You have the reverse ASIN lookup. You have Frankenstein, the keyword processor, Scribble, the listing optimizer, so it helps you optimize your listing. Another cool one, which is the index checker, that's for a little bit more advanced sellers, but it's something that's also super valuable as well. You have keyword tracker, so you can track your keywords, see how they're ranking, see if you need to change them. You have hijacker alert, which is awesome. If you guys are struggling with hijackers, you're basically going to connect your product and make sure if someone starts selling on top of it, you can either message them, get them taken down, or you can bump your price down, whatever the case may be. Inventory protector for coupon abuse prevention. The refund genie, which is awesome. If you guys are selling a lot and you have some refunds, Amazon doesn't always automatically give you the refunds, but Helium 10 will basically, you'll link your Amazon account to them, and they'll go through and pull out all the different refunds and show you how much money Amazon actually owes you. So most of the time, you can use this once a month or once every 6 months, and it's going to basically pay for the software, which is awesome because you're getting refunds that you normally wouldn't have been getting, okay? And then the other one is a misspelling checker that you can use. So I mean, the list, I mean, it's a ginormous list with what comes with the whole thing for $48, which is awesome. And then the last thing that it comes with is what's called the Chrome extension X-ray. Okay, so I'm going to show you kind of how that works. And here's the couple apron, the keyword that I'm going to be using. And right here, as you can see, this is the Chrome extension. It's very similar to the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, but you click on this and you're going to use the X-ray, and it's going to basically break down the data, show you the total revenue, the average BSR, average price, average review. It's going to give you a success score, and it's going to give you a lot more information compared to like the viral launch Chrome extension and the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. So this is why I like this tool, because it just gives you a little bit more data to look at, and the more data you have, the more likely you're going to find a successful product, and you're going to know without a doubt, you're 100% sure that that product's going to sell. Okay, so to kind of show you some cool features, it has the success score, which is going to basically break down whether it's in demand, whether it's not, the pricing, whether it's average, the low cost, the low profit, and it's just going to give you basically a success score on what they think, whether or not it's a good or bad product. Okay, so you don't want to just look at that, you want to look at the average reviews. So for example, 15 average reviews, that's very low, so that means that there's not a ton of competition. There's not someone that just has 10,000 reviews. And that's a good sign, because that means you can come in, get 3, 4, 5 reviews, and you're competing with the top sellers. So that's something that you'll want to look at. And then you can also look at the revenues that they're doing. So this one is 1,600, 13,000. So if you could do something similar to what this seller is doing, then that would be awesome. And then you can also look at the sales over a certain period of time, whether it's within 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or all time. You can look if it's a product that trends, when does it sell best, and it looks like it was not doing super well at the very beginning, and then it shot up in July, and then it's just started going from there, and then it kind of slowed down, and then it shot back up, and it kind of died down a little bit just after Christmas, which is normal for most products, because during the holidays, a lot of people are buying and shopping, and sales do tend to slow down. So you can look at that and make sure that it's not a product that's seasonal, and make sure that it has an upward trend, and you can basically look at all that information. You can look at the average rating, the reviewer count, so how many reviews they have. And I like looking at the ratings, because there's no one that has a legit 5-star rating. So you need to go look at those reviews, see what's wrong with these products, how can you make yours better. And if you're looking at people that have negative reviews, what are the customers saying? And you need to look at what they're saying and put that and take that into account in your product. So that's another way to kind of set yourself apart from your competition, is look at their reviews, see what's wrong with their product, and then make yours better. So that's another thing that you can look at. There's just so much information that you can look at, whether it's fulfilled by Amazon, whether it's fulfilled by merchant, who has the buy box. So if multiple sellers are selling on top, and this is a good sign because you have different sellers, it's not a bunch of people selling on top of each other's listings, so that basically means there's a lot of private label products right here. You have the category, the title, brand, and the ASIN. So overall, it gives you so much information that you can look at and break down the data, and you can get this tool completely separate from the bundle, and it's like 17 bucks, and then if you get it for the 50% off, it's like 8 bucks. Okay, so this tool is super cheap, and you can get this and have access to it as long as you're paying that monthly subscription. But it just makes your life a whole lot easier, and it's going to let you know what product sells well, what doesn't, how competitive of a market it is. And if the data looks good, then you can feel confident in ordering your first product. Okay, so that's why I like these software tools. Another cool thing about this is you can click on the product, and with Helium 10, it also has another little Chrome extension that's going to pull up inventory levels. You can click on X-ray, which is the one that we just looked at, the keywords, the profitability calculator, and you can just look at more information. Okay, so basically an overview of Helium 10, it gives you so much, and for the price, it's a killer deal, and the information that it provides, it's a ton of value, and it's going to save you money in the long run because you're not going to be making stupid mistakes on products, whether you didn't know it was going to work out or not. This is going to help you feel more confident in making that order. You're going to find keywords to rank for, and your listings are going to be more optimized. You have that refund genie, and you're just going to be saving money in the long run. So that's why I recommend Helium 10 and these different software tools, so that you guys can stay on the so that you can set yourself up for success. Okay, so that's why I really like these tools. And if you guys want them, I have the link down below. And don't forget to use that 50% coupon code so that you guys are saving some money, okay? So now let's go to the next tool, which is the last one that I want to talk about, which is Amazon Mailer, okay? So here we are inside of Amazon Mailer, and basically what this tool does is it gets you more Amazon reviews. It's 100% compliant with Amazon's guidelines, and it reduces negative seller feedback. So basically what it does is it connects to your Amazon seller account, which is 100% Amazon compliant, and anytime someone orders a product, Amazon Mailer then sends an automated email sequence that you set up, basically checking with the customer, making sure everything went well, and then you basically ask for a product review. You don't ask for a 5-star product review because that's against Amazon's terms of service, but if you ask for their honest opinion, you can totally do that, and that's 100% compliant. So basically doing that, you're getting 5-star reviews, and you're basically avoiding the problems that come with Amazon, okay? So you're always going to have customers that are unhappy, even if you have the best product in the world. I don't know what it is. Customers just sometimes complain, but it's better to have them complain to you rather than directly to Amazon. So that's what Amazon Mailer is going to do. And let's just scroll down real quick and look at the pricing. It's super cheap. I mean, the startup, it's 19 bucks a month. That's 1,000 emails. And you can have unlimited ASINs, so unlimited amount of products connected. Then you have the growth, 6,000 emails, which is plenty, and I mean, it just goes up from there, and you can basically try it for free. It's 14 days, completely free. Test it out, see what you guys think. I have other videos where I talk about the different automated email senders and basically exactly what I say. And I also, in our private Facebook group, I have a PDF that basically shows you my exact automated email sequence. So you can join that Facebook group. I'll include all the links down below. So if you want to join that, you can get access to that PDF so that you know how to set this up and take advantage of this software tool that literally saves you hours and hours. If you were to send each individual email, that would take you literally days, okay? It's impossible to do. So that's why I would highly recommend to use one of these software tools, because it helps you literally get reviews every single day, and it helps you avoid that negative seller feedback, which you want to avoid completely, okay? So that is one of my favorite tools, which is Amazon Mailer, and then we talked about in the very beginning, Helium 10, and I highly recommend these tools. It's going to make your life easier. You're not going to have to do the manual work, and that's why I like online business, because you can put systems in place. You can use software tools to make your life easier, okay? So whatever the case may be, I know you may not want to pay 20 bucks a month or 40 bucks a month or whatever the case is. I promise you, in the long run, you're going to be thanking yourself that you did, because it's going to save you a ton of time. So that's why I like software tools. It saves me time, it gets rid of the guesswork, and it's a lot more effective and efficient, okay? So I will include all the links down below, and I will be going into more depth about Helium 10 and the different tools and how you can take advantage of them. But for now, I would for sure go and get that, and don't forget to use the coupon code AMZChampions50 for 50% off, and take advantage of that. And then also Amazon Mailer, you get that 14-day free trial. You can test it out if you want it or not, and those links will be down below. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have any other questions about any topic that has to do with Amazon, let me know. Join the Facebook group, ask it within our little community, or you can DM me on Instagram, or just leave a comment in this video, and I'm more than happy to make a custom tailored video to help you out, okay? So let me know, and I really appreciate all the love and support. We're slowly growing, and we're going to get to that 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, and I just want to thank you guys for all the love, help, and support. So we will see you in the next video.